Greetings to everyone present here in the webinar today. My name is Ratnesh and I am representing Ganberry. Over the course of this webinar, you will get a lot of useful information about what Ganberry is and how we have established a dominance when it comes to admissions to Europe. So today's topic of discussion, as you can already see, we are going to talk about studying in Europe. There are some very popular options in Europe. For example, studying in Germany. There are more countries like Ireland and Netherlands which are coming up as well. But yes, Germany is still one of the more popular ones. Then medicine is one popular thing in Europe, which we are going to discuss over this webinar. And then we look at other popular courses as well. So let's get straight into the webinar. Thank you once again for joining. So why choose Ganberry is the first question is something you might ask. So I'm sure you must have already heard about Ganberry because we have been trusted by a lot of senior students who have already joined the universities now over the past several years. We have placed more than 100 students at Charles University in the last two intakes. Now, the reason I mention this is because it's one of a difficult university to get into. And in spite of that, with the help of Canberry's entrance exam preparation and clear processes, the students have been able to get through the university. Not just that, if you look at overall Europe, we have got more than 300 students joining in several European universities in the last 20. About Ganberry, if you want to know, I would say that we have a network of more than 30 countries. So even though we specialize in Europe, it does not mean that we do not help students with countries other than Europe. So we are helping students with all popular countries like US, UK, Canada, and obviously Europe is a place where we have a lot of university network as well. We provide free admission assistance. You did that right. We do not charge the students for any of our services for our partner universities. We have more than 200 official partnered across the entire set of countries. We are trained by some popular accrediting bodies like British Council and AIRC. We have counseled already more than 10,000 students over the last several years after our existence. And we have an excellent placement record in European countries, which is something which we boast a lot about. Now, these are some of the popular European countries. I would just go through them one by one: Germany, Ireland, Netherlands, Spain, Italy, France, Sweden, and Switzerland. There are a few more: Czech Republic, Poland, Hungary, Cyprus, Lithuania, Latvia, and Bulgaria. So, these are the countries that we have identified who have a lot of English speaking courses. Now, if you talk about the tuition fee and popular courses, unfortunately, I won't be able to go very deeply from this slide. So I would request you if you can take a screenshot here. But just if you can see what we have mentioned here is that which are the popular countries, and for those popular countries, what is the tuition fee, what is the cost of living, and what are they actually popular for? What type of courses are they actually popular for? Now, we are going to talk about one very popular destination today that is called as Germany. So I'm sure everybody is already aware of why there are so many students traveling to Germany every year. So have a look at this. What's in store for a student in Germany? So first of all, you have an opportunity to learn a new language. That's the most important thing. That's an added skill that you get. You have a very fine balance of academics and extracurriculars, which means the universities in Germany pay as much attention to extracurricular activities as they do to the academics. You get experience of new culture and traditions. You get the post-study work visa, and you know that Germany is the strongest economy in Europe. And when you get a post-study work visa for Germany, you know that your future is going to be very secure. You get options of part-time work and internships. So internships are like mandatory part for most of the courses which are offered in Germany. And when it comes to part-time work rules, any international student can work there for 20 hours in a week. And Germany has a very high pay scale. So many times students are able to earn as much as their actual cost of living in the entire country. So imagine if you're studying at a public university, paying zero tuition fee to the university, and then you're able to do part-time work on weekends, and you're able to earn the amount which is equal to your cost of living. There's nothing more that you want as a student, right? Then you have Erasmus and exchange program with over 80 countries. So the German universities have set up amazing network with other universities, and that gives you a lot of access to other countries as well. Now, if you talk about the type of higher education institutes in Germany, you've got the technical universities, which are more focused on theory and research. If you want to make a career into research, these are the universities you should try to get into. The examples can be, let's say, the Technical University of Munich. You have University of Applied Sciences, which have a practice-oriented approach, and their ideology is to make students enter the professional world. You would be employable immediately. Example is FH Aachen University of Applied Science, the number one university of applied science in the entire of Germany. And then we have College of Arts and Music. I mean, needless to explain, I think that's pretty straightforward. An example can be HBKSR. Now, there are types of universities, so we can look at the difference as well. We have public universities, we have private universities. So when it comes to the public ones, they do not charge any tuition fee. Whereas private universities will charge a certain tuition fee, which in this case is still a lot less than what you might be paying in, let's say, other popular destinations like US, Canada, or let's say the UK. Public universities, a lot of courses are actually offered in German language. When it comes to private university, you get that advantage that when you're spending some money, the advantage on the other side is that you do not have to learn a language. You may be able to get the course entirely in English. The admission to public universities is highly competitive as compared to private universities. Public universities focus on making people ready for German industry, and so they have limited international collaboration. Whereas private universities will try to make you as a global citizen who will be employable anywhere in the world. Whether it is public university or private university, the part-time and post-study work rule do not change at all. That means you will still have the same kind of opportunity within Germany, whether you graduate from a public university or from a private university, they follow the same level of accreditation. Now, if you look at the admission process, if you're looking for a German taught program, there are two things to take care of here. First, are you eligible for year one entry? A lot of curriculums are not accepted in Germany for year one curriculum. So if you're accepted, or rather, if you're eligible for a year one entry, you can learn the German language and you go straight to the German taught program. If it's an English taught program, then you don't need to learn the German language. You can immediately apply directly to year one. Whereas if you are not eligible, the world does not end for you there. You can still go through something called as a Studienkolleg. So Studienkolleg is nothing but a foundation year wherein you will be getting all those knowledge which according to your curriculum, Germany thinks that you do not have. So you'll get those things in the Studienkolleg. Some Studienkolleg also act as language schools. So both the things are taken care at once. And then you pass on to the university level. So that's like a bridging program, like you say in most of the English speaking countries. Now, if you want to know which curriculum is acceptable, how to get into a Studienkolleg, how to get into year one directly, because there are so many curriculums and every curriculum has a specific requirement, I would request you all to please visit our website www.gyanberry.com and click on book an appointment. You will be eligible for a free 30-minute counseling by our expert counselor, and they will tell you the tailor-made requirement for your curriculum. So I highly encourage all of you to try that out. Now, there are two specific guaranteed progression routes that we have in Germany, which are very popular. One is FH Aachen University of Applied Sciences. So students from all over Gulf and India over the past years have been using this option. And now there is another option very similar to that is from the scientific freshers. It's called as the German International College. So these two have a guaranteed progression, which means you go into a Studienkolleg from here, and then after the Studienkolleg, you have a guaranteed progression to one or the other degree programs offered by the partnered universities of FH Aachen and German International College. The admission to Studienkolleg happens with the help of an entrance exam, and the entrance exam is already happening every month. Maybe a lot of your friends have already got an acceptance letter. So I would highly request you to please get the details of these entrance exams. I mean, the cost is negligible. You just pay the entrance exam fee, which is very minimal. And once you pass it, you have an opportunity to study at a Studienkolleg, which will give you a guaranteed progression to a German university. Now, who can apply? So all the students who are currently in the final year or those who will be in the final year next year, I repeat myself, the ones who are going to graduate in 2021 or the ones who are going to graduate in 2022, both are eligible to apply. The ones who will graduate next year, 2022, will get an offer letter for 2022. That's the beauty of it. So 1 year in advance, you will have an admission letter in hand. So just go for this option. It's really lucrative. Now, if you talk about other Ganberry partner network in Germany, we have a lot of universities, as you can see. I'm just going to scroll this part. As you can see, there are more universities here. Now, we talk about the next part. Please don't mind if you feel that I'm going a bit fast because, as you know, we have a time constraint, and so we have to ensure that all the participants get to know something about their particular interest. So now we talk about the most popular course in Europe. I can actually say that it is the most popular course, definitely, that is the medicine. Now, why is it most popular? There are several reasons, but first, let us understand why, or rather, what are the advantages of studying medicine in Europe. So, first of all, the universities are traditional and high rank. Some of the universities are as old as 700 or 800 years old. So, that gives you that assurance that that university is highly prestigious. The tuition fee is very affordable as compared to English speaking countries. The universities are accredited by renowned bodies like World Health Organization, the General Medical Council of UK. For the Indian students looking for universities, the universities are also approved by the Medical Council of India, which has now become the National Medical Commission. The degrees are fully recognized across EU, which means you get a degree from one European country and you can always make a career in another European country, always possible outside Europe as well. Now, in terms of duration, the medicine course lasts for 6 years, dentistry for 5, and veterinary science for 5. All of them include 1 year of internship. And then obviously you have option to go to US or UK for your specialization because the degrees are fully recognized in those countries as well. Now, these are Ganberry's official partner medical universities. I would spend a couple of minutes here. If you look at this, the universities are divided into two categories. That is, the ones which take an entrance exam and the ones which do not take an entrance exam. So, with entrance exam, you have Charles University, first faculty, very popular. You have Cattolica, top 150 in the world. You have Faculty of Medicine in Radi Crallo, again another option for Charles University. You have Unicamilus, another university in Italy, one of the best healthcare systems in the world. You have Masaryk University in Brno. Brno is the student capital of Czech Republic and also one of the most popular student cities in the world. You have University of Pech, established, I mean, somewhere in the 13th century, roughly 700 years old, usually comes in top 1.5% universities in the world. We have second faculty of medicine, another faculty of Charles in the city of Prague itself. We have UMCH, the only university in Germany which accepts students for medical courses without any German proficiency. Let me tell you that again, you do not need any German proficiency to get into UMCH, a German medical university. We have Palaki University, which is again very old university in Olmok, a small town in Czech Republic, but is very reputed. And we have Lithuanian University of Health Science with top class infrastructure, largest university in the country of Lithuania. And then for direct admissions, we have Trinity College Dublin, we have University College Dublin, we have Royal College of Surgeons. All three of them are in Ireland. We have University of Tasmania for those who are looking at Australia. We have Eastern Mediterranean University in Turkey, University of Nicosia in Cyprus, St. George University and American University School of Medicine are the two Caribbean options that we have, which aim to provide you a direct entry to the US medical structure. So these are all the universities, and there are more. Unfortunately, I'm not able to accommodate some of the recent options that we have. And I would again highly recommend that you visit our website for complete details or get in touch with us through the counseling session. So now, what are the advantages of applying to European medical school? So I mean, there are lots and lots of advantages, but as a counselor, if I had to pen down few of them, these are the ones. You have possibility for a direct admission. So imagine you don't have to write a UCAT exam, you don't have to write any other exam, you can get a direct admission on the basis of your high school grades. But in case you feel that your high school grades are not up to the mark and you deserve better, in that case, there are certain universities which will give you a fresh start. Write an entrance exam, prove your skills, and then do it. Then no UCAT or BMAT is required. The programs are taught entirely in English, whether it is general medicine, dentistry, physiotherapy, pharmacy, veterinary medicine. And then there are more seats for international students as compared to that there are in UK, which is a huge advantage, which means the chances of you getting accepted are even higher. No IELTS or TOEFL is required. That's another thing gone off your head. You can focus only on the academic part. And the tuition fees are starting from $11,000 a year. You heard that right. It is as cheap as $11,000 a year. Now, for admission steps, once again, I would request you all to please visit ganberry.com and book an appointment. I hope you understand that the students attending this webinar right now may be from different curriculums, and the universities have requirements which are specific to curriculum. So, I would highly encourage you to make use of our free 30-minute video counseling and get in touch with our expert counselors and get a tailor made suggestion for your case. Now, comparison of tuition fee, once again, I would request you to take a screenshot because it won't be possible for me to go through all of them. Once again, you see on the left, you have countries, you have tuition fees, you have cost of living, you have the total cost, which means tuition fee plus cost of living, and then you have the duration. So as you can see, the top two options, that is Russia and Georgia, are the cheapest when it comes to getting a medical education. Then in between, the entire zone is Europe, where the education is amazing quality with great price as well. And then you have the usual options like the UK, the US, and the Canada. Okay? So that's like the bifurcation of how you will be spending in different parts of the world. I hope you have taken a screenshot because I am now moving to the next slide. Now, what are the other popular courses in Europe? So now if you feel that, okay, Europe is only popular for medicine or for, let's say, courses in Germany, the answer is not that. So European countries offer diverse courses and unique bachelor degree programs like logistics and international trade, stage management and technical theater, chemistry with molecular modeling, food innovation, industrial mathematics, visual merchandising and display. You see, these are so unique courses which are offered in several European universities. Now, these are some of Ganberry's prestigious partnered universities in Ireland. We have Trinity College Dublin, we have University College Dublin, we have more options in Ireland. We have University of Limerick, we have Limerick Institute of Technology, we have Technical University of Dublin, we have Griffith College, we have University of Amsterdam. This is in Netherlands, one of the very popular universities in the world. We have Vrije University at Amsterdam, and we have Amsterdam University of Applied Sciences. We are also dealing with Tilburg University, University of Twente, the Hague University of Applied Science, and the Erasmus University Rotterdam. Two more options in Netherlands. So you see, we have a very extensive network in Netherlands. We have Hanze University in Groningen, and we have Wittenberg University of Applied Science. Now, in other European countries, we are dealing with lots of universities again from several countries. We talk about UC3M, Universidad Carlos III de Madrid, it's in Spain. We have Università Católica, it's in Italy. We have Paris School of Business, a very popular and a niche option for students looking for business and related courses. We have University of Nicosia in Cyprus, which is again a very well-ranked university. We have University of New York in Prague, which gives you a dual degree option, a US and a Czech Republic degree. We have Budapest Metropolitan University. We know Budapest is like the hub for programs related to humanities and all. We have University of Warsaw in Poland. We have Airways Aviation if you want to become pilot in multiple destinations. We have it in Spain. We have it in Australia. We have Vilnius Gediminas Technical University in Lithuania. Again, a very highly ranked university for lots and lots of courses. We have Geneva Business School, we have EU Business School, and we have Sweden, that is the Lund University, one of the very popular options in Sweden. Now, another thing which we have recently started is that a lot of students at times feels that they should be able to speak to senior students studying at top universities. For example, Charles University, TU Delft in Netherlands, University of Toronto in Canada, Imperial College London, University of Oxford, University College London in UK, University of California in USA. If you also feel that you want to speak to senior students of these universities, we have launched a portal just for you. It's called as www.supermentor.me. So if you visit supermentor.me, you will be able to talk to students from any of these universities. You can book a 30-minute session or a 60-minute session, and you will be getting all the details about their university life. We will be posting link of our portal Super Mentor on our booth so that you can have a look at that immediately by clicking on the link. I repeat, it's www.supermentor.me. No space in between, as you know it. Now, coming to the end, why should you choose Ganberry? Well, I feel I've already given you a lot of reasons, but still, Ganberry is the authorized representatives. We help you for counseling and we take you up till the last stage of visa assistance. We provide free application services to all our partnered universities, and you saw the network, more than 200 universities. We have excellent placement record in top universities across the world. We are the entrance exam center for several medical schools, as you already know, as well as for German universities. And not just that, we also help you in preparation for these entrance exams, whether it is medical entrance exam or whether it is entrance exam for a German university. We provide you all the assistance even for the preparation stage. Now, to know detailed admission requirement and the best match university, that's a very special service we provide. We look at your academics, we look at your budget, and we look at all your requirements, and then we tell you what are the best possible universities for you. In that case, please feel free to visit www.ganberry.com and click on that tab called as Book an Appointment. There are a lot of resources available on our website which you might want to look at, but still, I encourage you to have a look at the Book an Appointment tab and feel free to book an appointment. In fact, I'm just going to take some time of yours and show you a couple of recent things which we have recently started. So, moving on to the part which I wanted to show you, that is the Ganberry website. So this is how the website looks like, if you see. Right, so here, this is the website of Ganberry with lots and lots of resources. You can find information about which country you want to study. Now, this is a recent thing which we have launched. As you can see, search and connect with universities worldwide. You can see we are the official entrance exam center, and this is the tab which I was talking about, the book and appointment. Now, if you see here, there is an option called as find a course. Now, if you click on this button, find a course out here, you will be able to search the courses available in several countries. As of now, we are already live with 3 countries, Canada, Germany, and UAE. But within few days to come, you will slowly and steadily start finding all possible countries out here. So you can just type in a course here. For example, I'm interested in accounting. So I'll just go on typing accounting. You see there's an option of accounting. I'll select it, and let's say I'm interested to study accounting in Canada, and I want to talk about the bachelor courses, and I click on search now. And as soon as you do that, you will be able to see all the courses. As you can see, list of 87 bachelor colleges, which means colleges, universities offering bachelor degrees in Canada. All of them are here. And now you can sort them whichever way you want to. You can sort them as per the rankings, you can sort them as per the fees, you can sort them with the cost of living, and you can apply additional filters. Like, let's say I'm only looking at universities with up to $20,000, you can do that. So this is a very useful resource. You can click on connect now, and you will be able to get in touch directly with the university representative. Let me repeat that again. That button helps you to connect to the university directly, straight to the university admissions office, and then they will revert back to you with whatever requirements you had asked for. Great platform, isn't it? Now, very similar to that, we have specific thing for medicine. If you go to the study medicine tab and click on find a university, you will be able to look into Ganberry's partnered medical universities. This is how the page looks like. If you can see once again, there is an option here called as I want to apply for, let's say, general medicine in, let's say, I'm interested in Czech Republic, I'm interested in Georgia, I'm interested, let's say, in Hungary as well. And then within a budget, let's say I have a budget of up to $20,000, and then I click on submit. And now you will be able to see the universities which match these criteria within the Ganberry partner network. So as you can see, a lot of options are there. And once again, if you are interested, you can just click on interested button, and one of the Ganberry's representative will get in touch with you. You can also click on chat now and connect with us or our counselors over WhatsApp for easy communication as well. Once again, there are options of applying filters out here. You can do that. You can also sort in terms of accommodation, in terms of intakes. So a lot of options for you here. And now if you want to talk about our other platform, I just type in the URL here, www.supermentor.me. You can visit this platform and you will see, you can find a super mentor from several countries here. So let's say you want to talk to somebody in the UK, you click on this. And then you will see people studying at different universities in UK, Nottingham, you have King's College London, you have Queen's Mary University, you have this guy from University of Oxford, you have University of Hertfordshire, and what else? And whatever you want, just click on book a video session and then fill in the details, and then our team will get back to you and help you with whatever requirement you have. So as I was saying, going back to the slide, to know detailed admission requirements, please visit www.canberry.com and we will help you with whatever you want. I hope I was able to answer most of your queries, but if you have any questions, please feel free to visit our booth. In case the time runs out for today's event, I would again encourage you to click on book an appointment. And that would be it from my side. This was Ratnesh representing Canberry. Thank you so much for all your time.